Man, your boy rocking the little man bun today. I even had the little shower cap on because your boy was up under the Jeep, you know, doing some routine maintenance with all these bolts and everything like that. It's been a minute since I, you know, went up under there and just tightened some bolts, but got that knocked out. So your boy's all dirty and everything because, you know, the Jeep is still got mud and stuff up under there. But we about to move on to another little mod today, and let me show you. What's up? It's your boy, Big Me's for She's back out in this thing, baby. Yeah, that's them bad boys right there. Red lights. I got the little app on here, you know, bam, wow. And let's turn them on real quick. Let's see where we at. Blug up, blug up, blug up, blug up, blug up. There they go. You know, I gotta have that amber, that orange to match the Jeep. But yeah, man, you can do all kind of colors with this, man. You know, when you're at nighttime and you just want to flex on them. Little purple, little yellow. I probably won't use any of these colors. But yeah. Ooh, snap. Those two right there, the orange and the white, probably be my go-tos. You know what I mean? But you know, this ain't the first rock light video, so we ain't gonna go through all the modes and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, your boy finna join that rock light life. So let's get into it. So you can see I got them on, just to make sure everything works before you hook it up. I don't want to go through all that work and then they don't work or something like that. The brand of these, I'll try to find the link and put it in the description. I threw the box away. I've had these for like probably like a year and a half, maybe even two. I don't know. They just been sitting collecting dust. So break them out. Anyways, there's plenty of rock lights online. Even if I can't find these ones, I'll put a link in the description to a few of them. So look for those. Anyways, now that I know they work, now I'm gonna just kind of lay them out and make sure I got enough length. They also come with, or these ones come with some extra, you know what I'm saying, doodad dilly wows for length. So we gonna go ahead and lay it out and see what it do. Oh yeah, I want to show you because I'm gonna put two up under each wheel well. So let's see, let me turn the light on. Bam. So up in the wheel well, I'm actually gonna kind of probably tuck one right up in there and then the other one right up in there somewhere. And then let's go to the BZAC and probably tuck one like, yeah, right here. And then tuck the other one over here or something. I think I'll be good. Bump stops will help so I don't, you know, bottom out and rub them things off, but if I do, oh well, it's a Jeep, it's all good. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I got the rear two lights in the wheel well. Check them out, bam and bam. They're only about 7-8 inches apart because I didn't want them showing. So that's kind of the deepest part of the wheel well as far as it being tucked by the fender. And yeah, just use some self tappers, got them up in there. I wish I had some of them magnetic joints, but I'll get those if these ever get destroyed or something. And you know, these were kind of a cheaper version, so this will be a test run. If they last, they last. If they don't, we'll get the, you know, the good ones. So for the front, again, they're a little bit more tucked up in there. Hopefully you guys can see those. Let me see. And yeah, so I'm gonna just get them all staged and then we'll get the wiring underway. So let me do the other side and then I'll get right back with you. All right, don't judge me. So had to throw on the little hairnet because man, up underneath this Jeep, ooh, yeah, we don't need none of that falling in my hair. Anyways, got the wire coming down and I'm probably gonna just go ahead and tuck it behind, you know, the frame and have it run along the frame rail all the way towards the engine bay. Right now, the wires are exposed, but you know, I'll cover them with some loom and all that kind of stuff. And you know, nothing's final yet, so I'm just mapping it. But I'll show you once I get a little bit more of this wire ran through. What up, y'all? We back, day 2. I had to put the project on pause because not all the Rocklight wiring reached the control box where they all plug into, so I had to order some extensions on Amazon. So I went with these King Showstar joints. There's 4 extensions in each pack, and I believe they're 5 feet each extension, so it should be plenty to continue the project. They are the 4-pin, you know what I'm saying? So these are kind of universal for a lot of these Rocklight kits, so I'll put these in the description so you guys can check those out. So yeah, let me go ahead and get these wired up and I'll show you where we at. All right, so we in there. Got everything wired up except for the rocker switch, so let's get up under here and I'll just kind of show you how I wired it real quick. It's not hard. You can really route these however you want. Well, let me just show you. So basically, you can see the wire loom over there coming from the rear passenger, and it comes in here, goes up under the A-arm, comes and meets the driver's side rear wires. You know what I'm saying? And then basically I just wired these and had them follow these lines all the way to the front, following those lines, going up the engine bay, coming down from the bottom of the engine bay. I just had them come up, and I got the rest of the wires coming over here. This is the little control box, or yeah, control box. And then everything's just kind of tucked right here for now. I'm probably gonna redo all this because it's a little cluttered, but for right now it'll work. There's some other mods that are coming that I want to wait for before I really clean up everything. But you can see power wire, and then there's an on and off button right here, but I'm about to snip that, rewire this through the firewall and into a rocker switch. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So you guys can see I got 2 empty spots in my little rocker switch panel, and here's the rocker switch. So yeah, I'm gonna slap that in there. Go ahead and put that right there for now. But yeah, I'm gonna pop that panel off right here and just wire everything down up under here. I got this wire I gotta clean up, but yeah, the firewall has a little grommet that I can poke through and wire it up in there. So that's the next part of this, so let me get to that. All right, y'all, we got the job done. Now I'm just looking for a cool little old dark spot so I can show y'all what these lights look like. I mean, y'all ain't seen lights before, but I just want to show you how these came out. You know what I'm talking about? So let me go ahead and pull over real quick. Yeah, I mean, I think this cool little spot right here, kind of in between some street lights. But let's check him out. All right, y'all. Let me know what you think. Hold on, let me take the parking lights off. Okay. Okay. Yeah, buddy. I mean, my first impression with these, dope. But these ones in particular, like this brand, they not as bright as I thought they would be. Now, they bright though. I mean, like you can see them. It's lighting up the ground and everything. But I thought they would be a little brighter, but still dope. Still dope. You know what I mean? I'll go ahead and change the colors for you. Right now, I got it on like an amber orange kind of color. You know what I mean? And switch to the Weezite. Ooh, okay. You know what I mean? Look kind of bluish purple in the camera, but that's that white. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's lightening up. It's lightening up. You know what I mean? So that's gonna be a wrap for the video. Again, I appreciate all you guys tuning in. Make sure you follow your boy on Instagram and TikTok at Fuelnominal, and on Facebook at Fuelnominal OYR. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell all your peoples, come check out the channel, you know what I mean? The channel's almost to 800, trying to get it to 1,000,000, you know? And other than that, man, y'all already know what to do. Be easy. I think they supposed to. Come on, man. Turn them things on. Oh, did I hit the button? Oh, there's a... Let me get up under here and show y'all.